Now we're just going to remove this 10mm nut and that 10mm nut. So now that we have that in there,
where's the nuts?
the fuck are the nuts? Where's the nuts? 1, 2, 3, 4. If your nuts are still attached to the end of the magnet, that's a good way to keep track of them. You tighten that down. And once we find the other nut, we'll tighten that on. So where the other nut is. Okay, so we had to go back and watch the video to see where the other nut went.
Lock position. If not, you have to adjust.
Now that we know where it went, sure we didn't pull it out of there? This is oh shit. This is why you have multiple tools. Yeah, watch the video some more. Oh, there it is.